From Graphic Extras. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a dot background, a dotty background, or maybe a raindrop design, sort of with a bit of three-dimensional depth. So I'm just going to, now I'm actually using in this thing the image mode, and I've set it RGB, and I've gone for 32-bit channel. I just happen to like to explore 32-bit channels. So I'm using gradients. And I've actually just already pre-created a gradient. It's got some transparency. That's the whole thing for the dots. There's the opacity stop 100. There, the transparency there. So it's just basically green at the end with a sort of end point of black. So just going to apply that now. I'm actually going to go to a layer, a new layer. Okay. And now I'm going to apply very quick, just dots. I'm just using a dot option, radial option there, and I'm just going to give it a bit of depth. I'm just going to apply it a number of times, and this is using normal because it's got transparency. It can be just applied. And obviously you can create any type of design. You could obviously have yellows or blacks and greens, blues, whatever. And I'm just going to create a bit of depth there, so you can actually see the shadow forming in this design. So now, of course, I could actually go through the entire design doing the same thing. Be very, very dull. So just going to now select that, hold down the Alt, and I can actually just quickly go over the document. And of course you can overlap, make multiple ones. It's a bit slower than actually if you were doing it obviously without running a tutorial application in the background. It slows it down somewhat. So you can see there's depth to the... And of course you could actually, if you wanted to, stop at this point and actually duplicate the whole lot you've actually created. So I'm actually just going to finish at that point. I could fill the entire document, but that's enough point. Right, I'm just going to flatten now. And of course one thing with 32-bit is that not all the options are readily available. Obviously if you go via some of these things, you just go image, adjustments, quite a few of the options are not available. One of the quick and easy way around that is the camera raw filter, which I find actually includes most of the Photoshop features that you could possibly need. You could obviously tweak a whole range of different things. Now I'm just going to actually reduce that down to create it as into black and white in the grayscale. Of course you can tweak that, and there you are. You've got a very interesting background, three-dimensional like dot texture background, quick and easy to create using gradients. And of course you can create it in multiple different ways. But anyway, hope you found this quick tutorial of interest, and that you'll subscribe to the Graphic Extras channel. That'd be really great. Thank you much.